Can you make money in digital marketing online? Yes. Is it a get-rich-quick scheme? No. Is it multi-level marketing? No. What it is it's teaching me the skills that I need to be successful in launching an online business with a proven blueprint that steps me through everything I need to know. Making $900 a day is not a dream, it's a system. All you do is go here, put in your email address. There is a lot of information. There's a video. You can scroll down and see all the testimonials. Learn how you can make daily pay, have an online business that works for you with automations 24/7. Guys, I'm learning the skills that are showing me how to have a successful online business because the blueprint has been proven to work. It's a step-by-step blueprint that guides me through everything I need to know, everything I need to do each day. And it only takes me about a little over 2 hours to do the income earning activities. So it's showing me how to master a 2-hour workday. I'm still working on it, but I know what to do. I just need to get faster at it. And it's also showing me more about the community, which is 40,000 people strong and growing. So any question I have, I just type it in, or there's a video on it. Or there are 6 master classes every single day, or every single week, every single week. And the master classes, the webinars are on Zoom. They're live where I can ask a question to the founder of this program. So there's no getting stuck. There's no stopping. Everyone that wants to make $900 a day, you can actually do this. You can do this if you can follow a blueprint, you can be coachable, and you can be consistent. Because nobody's going to do the work for us. We have to do the work. So if you have done hard, difficult things before in your life, you can do this. You just have to be willing to follow the blueprint, be coachable, and show up every day in your business for 2.5 hours, 3 hours, whatever it takes you. It's not a lot of time that you have to invest. And that's one of the things I was looking for. What I wanted to learn is how to do email automations, and it does it. It's all set up. It's a business in a box. The digital products that I sell are all completed. They're all done for me. And instantly when I signed up, I had 4 income streams. As a business owner, if you're struggling to have extra income where you can grow your business and you can just have more income for yourself and so that you can spend time with your family without stressing about making money, this is for you. You should check it out. All you do is you go to this page and type in your email address. I will get you more information. Go to the orange box, type in your information. Type in your email address. I will get you more information. I'm learning how to automate my online business. And for me, that's a game changer because it's running 24/7, no matter what I'm doing. If you're a business owner and you're struggling, wondering how you're going to have another income stream when you don't have a lot of extra time, you should check this out. Go to the orange box, type in your email address. I'll get you more information. Type in ready in the comments. I'll get you the link to the orange box. Bye for now.